Hi guys, this is my friend Taiwo, aka Chef T, and she makes the best meat pies, and I'm here to learn from the very best. Meat pies are one of my favorite childhood snacks, and I've always wanted to know how to make it, so let's learn.
So I ended up doing 5, and I have a little bit of flour left.
Take one
Just
spoon,
1 spoon.
eyeball it.
Just try.
Uh-oh.
Like this is my method.
This is
So this is sugar.
I love this method.
Sugar. I mean, I just put it in the. I'm just gonna. You don't want to use too much sugar too, so it doesn't.
So eyeball
overpower.
it.
But I'll just use 3 spoons.
3 spoons. Look at the
3.
spoon.
What's this one? Teaspoons. 3 teaspoons.
3 teaspoons.
But this you can put as you want. Like it depends on you. And with this, like, I mean, your hand will be like pretty messy. So I use my wooden spoon sometimes, but this works too. Do that.
Do whatever you want.
So it's the consistency. Just, yeah. I mean, this part, you don't do.
Damn, Elena, I don't know anything. Seriously.
See, we have a good learner here. I know that they hear me.
You.
Oh.
Hey, Taiwo.
So. How many do you want?
Keep putting. Just keep going.
Okay, eyeball. This is not a recipe actually. 3.
Put one more.
1 more, okay.
Do it.
No.
Before you add water.
It's good exercise.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Okay, so I should just keep going until I get the crumbly texture. Should I wash this thing? You washed it
I
already?
washed all. Everything is washed.
Wow. God bless you.
You ready?
Yeah.
So just add in bits and you mix. How much cake? It's gonna foil.
I mean, much happier. So much happier. I don't know what has been going on. When they first started that app, I loved it, man. It was my favorite app. Now it's just too much. Sometimes it's just one. That's so funny. Sing forever. He can never ever fail. Jesus, he sing forever. I love that man. Oh God, me. Oh. These are the songs. Morning devotion, church, school. OMG. A bit changing things up. I think there's a pattern. There's no
Very cool. Oh, nice. Good.
Splash is okay.
Then you this is 1 spoon of maggi. How about that?
1 spoon of maggi, yes.
And then salt, just a little bit. You don't want it too sharp.
How small do you want this potato? 4 or 6?
What is
This 4 is okay, right? Like this. Or do you want it smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller.
Yeah. It's okay.
Uh-oh. That's good. To help if needed.
I like that.
Smoky beef. Smoky beef.
This one.
I'm already doing it. Told me. Hello.
Yeah. So. Okay. When I know I want to make meat pie, I do this maybe like the night before. What's that? I usually just like cooking it.
Yeah, we'll take it like that.
I could be wrong.
How will you be wrong when you made it before?
Like maybe it's not a thing I should be doing.
Okay.
I'll be like, who are you dealing with?
This is the method, guys. This is the secrets.
Don't try this at home.
Try it at home, please, and let us know.
Though you can cut with a knife.
Okay, like just pinch a little bit.
Yeah, I just pinch and.
That's a good idea. What have I seen? Yeah, that's what people do, right?
So
That's a
don't
big-
fall my
okay.
hand though. Then roll.
That's beautiful.
Looks like a big chunk, but
Yeah, I thought it was quite big.
you flatten it up. That can be fine. Awesome. So sometimes you might just cut. You see how I didn't really.
Yeah, I'm going to put it up.
I think there's room for one more.
Beautiful.
So I'm just gonna do that.
Wow.
Get rid of the
Excess.
excesses. We might try to. I don't know. Okay, it's not melting.
Okay.
It's not yet.
Wow, femme. Beautiful.
And then we use the fork to. I mean, if you have excesses, if you like aesthetics, you can cut. But I'm just gonna leave it. Like you can cut like some of those. It's 8:43, so probably 9. Rest. Then, yeah, this is definitely better. So
Yeah,
good thing
it's
we
much
decided to
better.
wait.
Yeah.
Let me do it this way. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So just roll.
Just
Is it
focus on my
rolling?
hands.
Is it? Yes.
Yes. So what do you want me to do?
So take.
I should take this guy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So do I? Okay. Yeah. Uh oh.
Okay. That one is. It's gonna just cut it out. Yeah, because
I love it.
yeah, we'll maybe get one out of that. That's fine.
Okay.
But let's make it as flat as we can. Try not to have it roll on itself. Good, good.
You do it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
wow. That's
Oh,
a
you
different
press it?
method. Yeah.
Okay.
I just pressed
That's
it
it.
down.
Okay.
Come through, problem solver. Nice.
Okay, I cut
Okay.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, I think it's
Yeah, it's good. It's
shooting.
perfect. Is this enough?
Yeah, that's fine.
Really?
Yeah,
I should not put more.
you can put a little bit more. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. And then
Remember one side over the
one
other.
side, flip. Hey, look at. Okay. Right?
Yeah.
Wow.
So make sure
Okay.
you press it down first.
Press
with
it
your
down.
hand.
First in my hand. Okay, that's
Yeah,
what
so
I was
it's
saying.
all glued together.
Okay.
Like see this angle.
Okay.
Okay, and then use your.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, let me cut.
Wow. Come to my meat pie shop in the future. Okay.
Do your poke.
Oh, poke.
Boom.
Wow. Dun, 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 dun. That's it.
Going with the crunchy parts, like the. Be careful, it's hard to. Please don't do it.
That's okay, babe.
Okay. Cut. Second. Just gonna put this one in place. Cleaning up everywhere. Ready? I think the last batch again.
Maria, great job.
Just for it to cool. I think it's gonna. Ooh.
It's so good.
Yeah, the butter.
Cheers. It's really, really good. Wow. Cheers.